can feel that at Northerly Island all above. So put your hands in the air, let me feel you. Yo, cause none of y'all is see-through. Frequencies is some shit that we feeling, but we trying to give, not be stealing. We trying to resonate up in the air above ya. Yeah, cause y'all already know that I love ya. Chicago, if y'all in the fucking house, make some noise with your mouth. Laser sharp on the optical frequencies. If y'all can see the lights, show some love. On the B3 organ and like 7 other decks. Horribly in a beautiful world of synthesis. My man Alvin Ford Jr. on the drum kit right now. And my homie Chris Carnes on the live production and turntablism. My name's Derek Vincent Smith. Y'all are in Chicago, that's your hometown, and y'all brought us here, and we are fucking flattered, honored. And we gotta fly away, but not yet, so put a light up. I wanna see them, cause y'all are so fucking pretty. Get it out, get it out, get it out. I'm trying to feel y'all before we jet. Break it down low, y'all, go real low. Just... For real though, y'all, it's been fucking incredible. We're gonna keep it swaggy as shit with this last track, Yellow Bird. It's slow and it's pretty, but it's hard because you can feel it. So if you can feel it, put them up when we bring it back, because we're bringing it back. You gotta have friends that inspire you, y'all, because you gotta bring each other up. Each other up. When y'all both get up, it's called resonance. Energy from nowhere over unity, relationships. Chicago, y'all are off the hook. Thank you so much. My crew are the shit. New Orleans representing. Brooklyn, Denver, Colorado representing. Chicago, y'all always representing.